Hvad siger du?
Det er fordi, du ikke er en del af historien.
Ja, jeg synes bare, at...
To, en, værsgo! Går vi herover af. Kæft, hvor er den flot, mand. Hallo? Hallo? Hold da op, mand. Er du sindssyg? Hvor er den flot.
It's absolutely incredible. I mean, obviously the real car is incredibly impressive and it has an amazing sculpture, but to actually manage to replicate those sculptural forms in Lego bricks is really impressive.
It's amazing how they have managed with all the shapes and all the soft edges and everything. So I can imagine the work behind this.
It's fantastic for all of us to see this beautiful Lego model finally here in Legoland. We've been waiting for a long time. It's finally here and everybody loves to see it.
Den skal du